What's up, guys? It's Jeff here from the Mike for Vancouver Real Estate. Here today we are in the city of Burnaby, ready to shoot our second property tour of this series. Today we are going to Unit 904, 4900 Lennox Lane. But before that, we're going to talk a little bit about Metrotown, the area. We're going to check out some of the local amenities, some must-sees, and then we're going to get right to it. Starting with Metrotown, as some of you guys might know, that there's a 50-year plan to tear down the entire thing and build a bunch of high-rises. And of course, there's like a 17-tower project. Pre-sales have started for the first phase, and Concord Pacific will be the developer for it. But over the last 10 years, there's already been multiple different high-rises that have started building in the area. Metrotown is like great, easily accessible to public transportation, but we'll get into a little bit of that. We're almost at our location, so I'm just gonna find a place to park and let's go.
And here we are at Metrotown. I'm currently at the Bonster Baseball Diamond Field here. Some very famous, well-recognized buildings right behind us. Before we go into the unit though, there is something about Metrotown that deserves its attention aside from the unit itself. It's super convenient. You have 450 shops, one of the biggest malls in BC, literally in proximity. So before we go into the building, which is right behind Jeff right there, why don't we go take a look at some of the things this neighborhood can offer? Jeff, you ready? This is you.
Now we're in the Metrotown food court. As you can see, there's a lot of shops around me, about 22 in total, but there's a lot more in other parts of the mall also. Let's go check out what else the mall has. Okay, so here is a Cineplex theater, and it wouldn't be a trip down memory lane without coming over to this section of the mall. Okay, they don't call it Vancouver for nothing, but it ain't a trip to Metrotown without popping by Crystal Mall as well. Okay, as you can see, we're in the food court, and in case you can't tell, there's a large, heavy Asian influence in this mall. Okay, so we're in Crystal Mall now. We can see that there is a jewelry shop. Who doesn't like shiny things? There is a shiny tea. Like I said, who doesn't like shiny things? Shiny bubble tea as well. There's a money tea. Wow. See, a lot of Asian food stores. In case you can't tell by now, Crystal Mall seems to have a very heavy Asian influence in it. And look, there's even a little market downstairs. Across the street we have the Metropolis at Metrotown. A lot of shopping that we can do in there, so let's go inside and see what they have. First up, we got Uncle Tetsu. Who doesn't love me some Japanese cheesecake? We also have a big Muji store. Can't go shopping without money, so here's the Bank of Montreal. Wow, guys, I might have found the last Baskin-Robbins in Vancouver. They have an espresso store because who doesn't love coffee? Now, what mall wouldn't be complete with these two stores? Lululemon and the Apple Store. Okay, one store that I think deserves a special shout out is Vessi. You can also get a Jugo Juice. One great thing about living near Metrotown is that the mall gives you direct access to the SkyTrain. Oh, more food on the way to the SkyTrain. There's a Chipotle A&W restaurant. Station Square, and the SkyTrain stop is right there. You know, here I was so excited to show you guys Metrotown and how it links directly to the SkyTrain station, and then I see this sign. The overhead walkway to Metrotown station is closing November 6th. Great. All right, we made it. Metrotown station. I'm sure most people in Vancouver have a love-hate relationship with TransLink, but it is what we got, and it's still pretty convenient. Looks like there's a lot of info on how to get around Vancouver here. And even a transit map to help you plan how to get from Maple Ridge all the way to Vancouver. So aside from the bus loop that'll take you to different parts of the city and also the SkyTrain station that'll take you to different cities, we also have an octopus and Station Square. Well, that's Starbucks, but Station Square is over here this way. Recently got redeveloped with many new shops, and there's going to be a lot of residential spaces as well. Let's go check it out. We got a freshie, because who doesn't like healthy food? We got eye shades, Tommy Gunn's Barbershop, GNF Financial Group for all your financial planning. Also, Station Square Dental. And we know everyone, it's a recession and inflation. Dollarama, major key. All right, we're approaching Station Square now. Best Buy, PetSmart, all your pet and electronics needs. There's even a little WeWork office that you can see in the back there. Oh, and we got a Cactus Club Cafe, Station Square. Who doesn't like cactus? Great food. We have a Tendon Kohaku, more restaurant in Shure, BC. Ocarito. I was just gonna call this Restaurant Row because it looks like everything is a restaurant. Dollar Shop Hot Pot. And an Earl's. There's an Arc'teryx for when you have too much money, you need to spend it. And if you need a gift idea for kids and you can't think of anything, Build-A-Bear is always a very, very good choice. Right, and here we got Bonzer Recreational Center. Let's take a quick look inside. There is a squash court and a basketball court. Also a pool and a fitness center. All right, so we've seen Metrotown, we've seen Bonzer Park, Station Square. Now let's get right to it. We're going to 4900 Lennox Lane, Unit 904. Joe, take us inside.
4900.
All right, first up, party room. No pets allowed. Sorry, Fido.
Nice big party room. Nice.
Nice, neat and tidy mail room here. Some memos, parking available for rent. That's a good sign. Let's go to the gym. Wow. You got your treadmills, you got your lat pull down machines, stationary bikes. Joe, let's do a pull up.
Hey, way to show off.
Okay.
Last area. No smoking. No, actually, this is what's behind it. Can't show today, but those are the two bathrooms. And then we have a hot tub. Still has water inside. And we have a steam room.
Oh, and a sauna.
Oh, that's a sauna?
It says sauna right on the door.
Oh, I thought it was steam room. Well, sauna is.
All right, let's go 43rd floor. Oh, we're already here. So you can imagine 43rd floor, there's some cool stuff here. Starting with free Wi-Fi. That's more important than food and water nowadays.
That is so true.
Oh, there's someone studying here. We'll be quiet and respectful. But yeah, as you can see, full amenities here. You got your own fridge. Let's go take a look outside.
This.
Wow. Or this. And then also the storage locker is right here. So very convenient.
Oh, push.
Oh.
And this is why I said 2.5
You're welcome.
makes the whole.
Yeah, and then just the two right over there.
Now we're on the 9th floor. As usual, let's take a look at how many units is here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Whoa, you can count.
I know, right? And honestly, 9 might seem a lot, but in Metrotown, it's really nothing nowadays.
You know, are there ones that have like 12?
I have 15 now, right? So let's go this way, and 904, we are right here.
Yo, shoes off inside, please.
Of course. All right, here we are. Now, first thing, guys, that I always say is this is a corner suite, but no hallways, no foyers, when we say this one is 860 square feet, we really mean it because everything starts from the moment you open the door.
I see so many windows, there's so much natural light. I think even if we turned off the lights, it would be pretty bright still.
Let's try it out. There we go.
All right, we got the kitchen where we do kitchen things like cook, or maybe if you guys are like me, we only use the microwave.
You gotta learn how to cook, man. But anyways, gas, good. Oven.
Oh, 2 shelves. Oh, it looks very clean.
Very, very clean. Definitely very clean, well maintained, and a strong hood fan as per usual. Yeah, you can hear how loud that is. Lots of cabinetry. We have a nice big fridge, Fisher and Paykel. Very, very clean with a freezer underneath.
You know what I love too? Remember there's a unit that has, you hear that? Nothing. Soft close cabinetry.
Ah, I like how you pitched that one.
All right, from this spacious balcony, you can see North Shore Mountain views, back to Bonser Community Center and Metrotown behind that. Fun fact about Metrotown, it's actually the biggest mall in BC and the 5th largest mall in Canada. And this view, you will get forever. They will not redevelop this, unlike Metrotown, which they're gonna tear down and rebuild in the next 50 years.
So the developer initially wanted, of course, the dining room to be right here. And then fast spin, your living room to be right there where Jeff is. But you don't have to do it like that. I mean, Jeff, when was the last time you watched cable television?
2003.
There we go. What do you watch now? Netflix, right?
Netflix and chill.
All you need is internet and some Wi-Fi. So here, I'll give you guys an idea. Why don't we put a couch right here, sectional couch. We're gonna put a TV right there because this wall is bigger than this wall that where Jeff is at. So why don't we put a TV there? You know what's good about a TV right here? When you're in the kitchen, you can still be able to watch the TV. Okay, so sectional couch, and you have your coffee table and your TV. And then right in this corner right there, right by the balcony door, you're like, what do I put there? How about a planter? If you really don't use the balcony, you can even put a bookshelf. And then we're gonna walk right here. That, where Jeff is at, could be your dining table.
Okay.
Right there. And then right on that corner over there, a bookshelf, a computer table. Be creative. And not just one of the ways to design it. Honestly, the developer actually chose this floor plan when they were selling as the display suite. So they have some ideas about it as well. So once again, guys, a lot of people, they see this and they get really, really scared. Really, honestly, guys, it just takes a little bit of imagination. And look at this. The main reason why this home is so desirable is the view. We know about Metrotown, everything is changing, you know. Metrotown is right there. That's going to be changing. Lucky enough, Concord Metrotown. I used to participate with that company, so I kind of know what's happening. I believe there is quite a bit of towers coming up here. With Metrotown changing every single day with all these high-rises, with all that high-rises, it's very comforting to know that this park right in front of you is actually not going to change. Now, the community center might change. By the way, that community center, awesome. You know, Olympic-sized swimming pools, gyms, and stuff like that. And then, of course, this park area. Knowing in a growing city that your view is not going to get changed, and you do have greeneries that you will be looking at permanently, that's assuring. Now the master is purposely placed in this area for a reason. You're further away from the SkyTrain and you're further away from Nelson Avenue, which is much, much quieter. Still your floor to ceiling windows, just like that right there. it's a nice big space. And what do we always say about a nice master ensuite? Important for condos. Look at this. 860 square feet. Your master bathroom is 2 sinks, a toilet, and a stand-up shower. You want a bath? You get a bath.
Great size for one.
Does it fit?
Very comfy.
How tall are you?
6 feet tall.
There we go.
No, I'm only 5'10", just kidding guys.
I'm 5'10". I'm gonna say you're 6 feet tall. And once again, guys, very well maintained. Someone has lived here for 7 years, but it feels brand new. And one last area, secondary bedroom. Jeff, go ahead. Good size. Comes with a closet behind the door. Even the secondary bedroom looks at the park, which is very, very enjoyable. And thank you guys for staying with us all the way to the end. This is the property tour for 904-4900 Lennox Lane. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm Joe.
I'm Jeff.
We're the Mike from Vancouver Real Estate. This is property tour number 2, and we're signing out. Bye guys.
See ya.